Hi everybody, welcome to MomDas Life Handmade, and I'm also welcoming you to International Christmas Wreath Challenge 2019. And I'm so happy to tell that I am co-hosting this wonderful challenge along with so many YouTubers around the world, starting with the host Kiki from Kiki DIYs and other co-hosts Michelle from Shell's Glam Home, Yanni and Diane from Decoeasy, Pat from Style with Pat, and Ruth from Kentucky Fried Fun, and myself, of course, Mom from MomDas Life Handmade. There is a playlist for this challenge. Do visit the playlist in all the co-host and host channels for more inspirations on making Christmas wreaths this season, this year. I'm going to make one unique style wreath. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know. So for my wreath, the first thing that I need is a sturdy stick which can take some weight. I went outside and got these natural leaves. Lovely, aren't they? These are some store-bought ornaments I had in my stash. I took some satin red ribbons and I managed to make a bow. I'm bad at bow making, but I managed to make a red bow using broad red ribbons. These are some ties. These are wire ties, very easy to tie up quickly. I found this red rose with me and I'm just using it for the color. These are some handmade tags and ornaments that I made last year. I'll give a link to the video above and at the end of the video. So these are some of my handmade ornaments from last year. So I'm going to assemble everything over this stick and attach all of this over this one single poor little stick using all these wire ties, or one can sometimes I'll use some double-sided tape. I am not sure if glue gun would work in this case, but Ziploc ties or jute string can work very well here. So what do you think? I love this. This is like a little Christmas tree wreath, very unique in its design, being a triangle as that of a tree. And I love these greens and the merry ornaments and the red ribbons. And it says Merry Christmas. So Merry Christmas to everybody in advance. I love how this wreath turned out, my unique wreath. Do let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you soon in my next video. I want to thank all my co-hosts for coming together for this. I want to thank all the participants to the challenge and all the visitors to our videos. Have a lovely day.